In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlinks in Canva. Adding clickable links to your Canva designs is super helpful, whether you're creating a presentation, a digital PDF, a portfolio, or even a social media graphic. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your text, images, and elements into interactive links. First, open Canva and head to the design where you want to add your hyperlink. This can be an existing project or a completely new design. Make sure your page is laid out the way you want, because hyperlinks usually come in toward the end of the design process. Now, decide what you actually want to make clickable. Most commonly, that's a piece of text, like "Learn more," "Visit website," or a call to action in a presentation. Click once on the text box so it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around your text. With the text box selected, look toward the top toolbar in Canva. You'll see options for font, size, color, and so on. Among these icons, there's one for linking. It usually looks like a little chain link. Click that link icon, and a small field will appear where you can paste or type your URL. Type or paste the full web address you want people to visit, such as a website, a specific page, or even a social profile. Double check for typos here, because if the URL is wrong, the link simply won't work. When you're happy with it, confirm the link by pressing Enter or clicking the Apply or Done button in that little panel. You'll notice your text is now underlined or highlighted in a different color. That's Canva's way of telling you the hyperlink has been added successfully. If you ever need to change or remove it, just select the same text again, click the link icon, and either edit the URL or clear it. You can also add hyperlinks to other elements like shapes or images. The process is exactly the same. Click the image or element to select it. Hit the link icon in the top toolbar and paste your URL. This is great for clickable buttons or linked logos. When you're finished, make sure to download or share your design in a format that supports hyperlinks, like PDF or a view-only presentation link. Then open the exported file and test each link to confirm everything works as expected. And that's how you add hyperlinks in Canva.